Hi guys, we're going to look at nutrition. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the essential food components in sufficient quantities and correct proportions. Now, a balanced diet consists of food that gives us all the things that are needed by our bodies to keep it in a good working condition. Okay, so when you look at your plate has to consist of a lot of veggies and a lot of starch. Then you can have some milk and dairy foods. You can have a few of condiments, which is all your tomato sauce and mayonnaise and so on. And then you can have some protein on your plate. Now, the daily food intake of a person, man or woman, does not matter. It should be 55% carbohydrates, 30% fats, and 15% proteins. So let's quickly look at the different food types. So carbohydrates is cake, bread, potatoes, maize, and so on. And it provides energy for us. Now proteins like eggs, meat, and fish, they provide the building materials for your body. Then fat is your dairy products, oil and cream, and it provides energy and isolation against the cold. Now, minerals we find in eggs, salt, milk, vegetables, and so on, and they are essential to build strong bones and teeth. Now, vitamins is found in your green vegetables, liver, and fruit like oranges and pineapples and so on, and they control chemical reactions. Then, roughage is very important. Now, roughage is fruit, vegetable, rice, cereals, and so on. All grainy products that is quite rough because they are responsible for your proper bowel movements and helps you poop properly. Okay, so you have to remember that the actual daily requirements will differ from person to person. Now, they are influenced by four different things: age, sex, health, and the type of work that a person does. If we take in more food than we can consume, it means that it must be stored somewhere, and then that will lead to weight gain. Now, there's a few different diets. Now, as you know, we have quite a big world, and everyone likes different kind of things. And it's understandable that what's considered delicious for one person is quite disgusting for another. As you can see there on the right hand side, I don't think I'm ever gonna give that a try. So people sometimes go to extremes concerning their diets. I mean, this lady is eating a flippin' spider, which is quite odd. We're going to look at halal. Now, halal is the term describing a set of rules used by Muslims who are followers of the Islamic faith. Now, in Islamic faith, it refers to anything that is permissible under Islam, which is there's a list of foods. Okay, now the list of foods that is forbidden is pork and pork byproducts, so no bacon, meat from animals that are slaughtered in the name of anyone but God, alcohol, and no meat from carnivorous animals. So they're not going to eat an alligator or a lion or something like that. Kosher. Now, kosher refers to a diet that is followed by people who belong to Jewish faith. Now, one of their main rules is that milk and meat products should not be mixed. They should not be prepared or stored together or even eaten together. Now, these set of rules are found in the Torah and they are called the laws of kashrut. Okay, vegetarians and vegans. Now, vegetarians and vegans, the diet is quite similar. So, vegans do not eat any animal products, meat, egg, milk, cheese, nothing. Okay? Where some vegetarians eat no meat and they will still consume fish and animal products like eggs and milk and cheese and so on. Now, this is a lifestyle choice